Welcome to Mr. Biography YouTube channel. This video is about famous Minister for Municipal Administration K.N.Nehru. Hope you will enjoy this educational based video and share it with your family and friends. In the realm of Indian politics, few individuals have left as profound an impact as K.N.Nehru. Serving as the Minister for Municipal Administration, he has transformed the landscape of urban governance and set new benchmarks for efficient and sustainable development. With a career spanning several decades, K.N.Nehru has emerged as a beacon of change, bringing his visionary ideas to life and improving the lives of millions. This YouTube video delves into the inspiring biography of K.N.Nehru, highlighting his achievements, leadership qualities, and enduring legacy. Born on November 9, 1952, K.N.Nehru hailed from a humble background. His innate curiosity and thirst for knowledge led him to excel in academics. K.N.Nehru pursued his education at prestigious institutions, where he honed his intellectual abilities and developed a passion for public service. Throughout his formative years, he demonstrated exceptional leadership skills and a deep commitment to social welfare. K.N.Nehru embarked on his political career with an unwavering resolve to make a difference. K.N.Nehru joined DMK and quickly rose through the ranks, earning the trust and respect of both party members and constituents. His tireless efforts in serving the people led to his election as a member of the Legislative Assembly, MLA. K.N.Nehru's true potential as a leader became evident when he assumed the role of Minister for Municipal Administration. With his razor-sharp acumen and a clear vision, K.N.Nehru introduced groundbreaking reforms that revitalized the urban landscape. His emphasis on inclusive governance, sustainability, and citizen participation became the hallmark of his administration. Under K.N.Nehru's leadership, municipal administration witnessed a transformative era. He recognized the urgent need to upgrade infrastructure, improve public services, and enhance the overall quality of life in urban areas. K.N.Nehru initiated ambitious projects aimed at developing smart cities, efficient waste management systems, and sustainable transportation networks. One of K.N.Nehru's notable accomplishments was the successful implementation of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India campaign. Through effective planning and strategic partnerships, he mobilized communities, organizations, and local authorities to work together towards achieving the ambitious goal of a cleaner and healthier India. K.N.Nehru's approach to urban governance was marked by transparency and accountability. He leveraged technology to introduce citizen-centric services and online platforms, ensuring easy access to information, grievance redressal, and efficient service delivery. His emphasis on e-governance and digital empowerment revolutionized the way municipal administrations functioned, making them more responsive and efficient. K.N.Nehru also prioritized sustainable development, recognizing the urgent need to address environmental concerns. K.N.Nehru championed the use of renewable energy sources, promoted eco-friendly practices, and implemented measures to combat pollution and preserve natural resources. His commitment to a greener future earned him accolades both nationally and internationally. K.N.Nehru's exemplary work in the realm of municipal administration has earned him widespread recognition and appreciation. His dynamic leadership, innovative strategies, and unwavering commitment to public service have left an indelible mark on Indian politics. Nehru's initiatives have improved the lives of millions of people, fostering sustainable growth and creating a more inclusive society. His contributions have been acknowledged through numerous awards and accolades. K.N.Nehru's success can be attributed to his ability to inspire and mobilize people towards a common goal, his unwavering dedication to public welfare, and his astute understanding of the challenges facing urban India. K.N.Nehru's biography is a testament to the power of visionary leadership and the potential for positive change. Through his remarkable achievements in municipal administration, he has set new standards for urban governance and inspired generations of leaders to prioritize sustainable development and citizen welfare. Nehru's legacy will continue to shape India's urban landscape for years to come, leaving behind a progressive and inclusive nation. Thanks a lot for watching our professional Mr. Biography YouTube channel. You can help us to promote our Mr. Biography YouTube channel by like, comment, share and subscribe Mr. Biography YouTube channel. Stay in touch.